Hello, friends. Welcome to Easy Learn TV. Today, we're diving into the world of exciting AI tools and modern technologies. If you enjoy our videos, please hit the like button. This simple action helps us create even better content tailored just for you. To stay updated with our latest videos, subscribe to our channel. Join the Easy Learn TV family and never miss out on new content. Your feedback matters. Share your questions and comments below. Thank you for being with us. Meet Leonardo.ai, a real-time canvas tool that transforms your sketches into stunning artwork. Simply draw on the canvas and let the AI enhance your creation. Use the motion video option for professional-looking animations. Next up is Musicify.lol, a tool that turns your voice into a musical instrument. Choose from instruments like electric guitar or drums, record your voice, and let the AI create amazing music. Explore 11 Labs, a speech-to-speech translation tool. Select a voice, record your message, and watch as the AI translates it into any language. Perfect for cross-language communication or creating unique languages. GIF.app is a face-swapping tool for GIFs and videos. Upload a photo, choose a GIF, and let the AI swap faces for hilarious results. Create and share funny memes with ease. Discover ChatGPT, an AI-powered chatbot creator. Upload a photo, teach the chatbot responses, and engage in conversations. Build your own chatbot or chat with others for impressive interactions. MyLens.ai is an AI timeline tool. Enter event details, and the AI crafts a detailed timeline. Perfect for organizing events or topics, and you can download them for future use. Finally, ClipDrop.co is an image editing tool for face replacement. Upload an image, select faces to swap, and let the AI do the rest. Create and share entertaining memes effortlessly.